Ni pilit mo
This
ni.
was my first ever gift during your graduation time, George.
Darot lagi udit.
Audit na, George. So, creative kayo ko na, George. Ala! Si Bian eh, George. See? Ulo, luto na ako magama sa una, George. Para mag-picture ni George.
Ni pilit na ko. Ni daw.
A young man who cares not only for himself, but asa okay, grammar pa lang na. Sa una ra ba na? O para ba siya chipin sa una? A loving and very understanding person to everyone. He brings positive and good vibes that make others sakto optimistic as he is. Niruon ako ba ito ko English sa una, George? You are such a lovable and happy-go-lucky cousin. In short, delicate. Jesus! Kulot. A friend, you are like a good song that has so much feels. And everyone loves. Ayaw lang. Uy, duklon. Tungod ra ba ani naka-experience ka, naka-gama po kag-imuha? Another environment and people to be with.
Dato ni mo agya na, George. Mga kagkuhan.
Yes, karon di ay. No.
Daman kalamig agya na.
Maski sa stage nag-away. Nagyaw-yaw di ay. College life with real good. Duto na ko mga ingan ano. Karon. The story. Essays. Trainees na tanawa nung nakaka-permis akong likod na unconsciously na nakas akong likod, ikaw na diripod naman ko ani na ang ikaw di
Malamang nun ako sa mulikot kay putot man ka sa mga tag-as at
ay away labot di happy moments we've shared as a idol na nakas akong likod ingon bitaw ko
Mo gani kay taas man ko.
Di jud ngano ka na magas akong likod di sa tanan-tanan. Serious. Kani ba pangita ako? Ako ani graduate na ko. Kani ba? Kay ST naman mo. First mission as juniors, orientation days. Ano ba? Together with this happy secretariat family. Oh. Say, ko na kung secretariat design. Yung family. Kaya pinapuningan ako karon. Na po ko ingani ano pa open. Taran! Susog na pa vlog sa una, series. Grabe ka na, oy. Dapat yun. May pag mga pins, wala wag tang, Manong, Redmi, ikaw ra ba mo? Redmi.
Silpo.
Read me. And that's so-called revelation. Shock. Kiyaw. Alam nito ko agyan ni George. Alam ito, no? Basta may ballpen ako ani. Ay, jetic pa man eh. 0.5 na. Uwi na beta pag college. Ingan pa ko di ko mag-jetic kay kaya na dugay dali ra ma. Bro. Sa ending kay nindot mag-agi. Makamindot. Pari. Apa ni sud? Aya, di ko naka-discover ko. When a girl is in love, you can see it in her smile. But when a guy is in love, you can see it in his eyes. Good eyes. Di kaniwa kong gingon ato ang first nga promise bracelet. Ikaw to jogi mo ha. Grabe ni. Ibis kay asa ako ra ba ni George ako nang gipa-correction ng Milans kay English major. My one and only manong a year of tears and joy with you and me enjoyed. Every jealousy, every happiness, you never left, you stay. Those stuffs we had I've missed. With you by my side, hindi na betani. All I can say is thank you for the love, care, and time you've given and shown to me. Can never be forgotten because it makes me feel like I'm a queen. A year for both of us in love that never lasts. Hope that we will stay forever. Let's prove and work together. My one and only Manong, you will always be loved by your Manang. I got no worries nor doubts because I know that we both got each other's back. I love you, you love me. Oh, till infinity, till death to us part. Oh, my God. Free verse, saramihan kay Pabaw ka. You know that we fight, we have, we text, we talk, we argue, we love, we smile, we eat, and we love. That's not. That's us. May tail. God made you, 'cause I've been thinking about me. He made the sun, he made the moon. Be patient.
Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best.
Ando to pa nang agi ate.